last exercise we were doing here was a dubbed soap opera. Here, the challenge is to create complete scenes with a beginning, a middle and the end. So we have teams of 4 improvisers, and as a whole, they have to create a great scene.
I am getting married tomorrow to Alejandro.
To Alejandro! No! No! My brother Alejandro!
Yes.
So 2 of them will be actors, but we won't hear them. They won't speak. 2 others will be their voices, and these ones are out of the scene, just doing all the verbal parts of the scene.
What about my uncle, Jose Armando? He saw us together. I know a priest. He can get us married right now.
What about Alejandro? I can't tell him about this.
The public says a title for this soap opera. It can be Revenge or Love on the Sunset. And the 4 improvisers will then create a complete scene, establishing who they are, what they're doing, where they are, what is the conflict, what's happening in the story, and closing the story.
About like meeting tonight, a romantic dinner, why not? Maybe we can stay and hug each other.
Okay. A romantic dinner sounds fine. Yes, and what are you saying?
Like stay in the bed.
The bed, like watching TV, right?
Yeah, maybe on the laptop, Netflix and chill.
Okay, so a time you are picking me up?
No, picking you up. Why pick you up? I was saying like I was coming to your house actually. So hi, it's me, your boyfriend.
Hi.
What about? Hug me. And kiss me.
You already have water in that fountain.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, come back here, come back. You see?
It is very funny, and it's incredible to see how the creativity works in these small groups and what improvisers are able to think of and create.